Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Are you looking for a diesel truck, but you don't want a big 1500? Well, this 2022 Chevy Colorado Z71 Crew Cab 4x4, what a title, includes the 2.8 liter Duramax Turbo-Diesel Engine. That is correct. What a great find here. Only 104,000 kilometers on this. One owner vehicle, certified pre-owned vehicle, and an OMS original, which means it was bought here, serviced here, and traded here. We are going to take you We're going to take you on a tour of all the great features and the condition of this Colorado, so that way you know exactly what you're getting when you pick it up from us here at OMS. Now, this has the Z71 Midnight package, the HD trailering package, plus the safety package. So it is very well equipped. But what we talked about at the intro is this right here, the Duramax diesel. 2.8 liter turbo diesel engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. You can tow over 7,000 pounds with this, but you also get the benefit of incredible fuel economy with the diesel. Now, this also has the Z71 off-road package. So you're going to get the upgraded suspension, the all-terrain tires wrapping up these great looking black 17-inch alloy wheels. Have a look at the suspension. So that's all upgraded. There's skid plates underneath. So whether it's the job site, the cottage road, or off-roading if you're brave enough, this will definitely be able to handle that. Love that badge in the door. Now you can see it's the full crew cab model as well. So we come around to the back. Nice little surprise in the back. You can see with the HD towing package, it's got the upgraded leaf spring suspension, so it's definitely going to handle that load. Around to the rear, side step bumpers, Chevy stamped across the back of the tailgate. It has the 2-inch tow hitch receiver. It's already wired up, and there's an integrated trailer brake controller on the inside as well. Now, dropping down our tailgate, it is dampened. Love the person who invented that, man, oh man. And then take a look. So we have a bed extender in here. So this obviously will keep all the stuff inside here when you load up. Maybe you don't want to, maybe it's groceries, I don't know, whatever the case is. But then of course you can also flip this back, and now you've got what I think is around 6'8" box, give or take. But with this nice bed extender on the back, I got to get one of these for my truck. You can absolutely load it up. So I love that. Spray in bed liner as well, right from the factory. So that's all nice and protected. And this also just pops out too. So if you don't want the bed extender, it literally just pops out on the side. It's super easy to do that. All right, closing this up around to the passenger side. Now, because this is a certified pre-owned vehicle, this goes through a very, very rigorous inspection. You're gonna have 30 days of satellite radio for free, a 3-month or 5,000 kilometer limited comprehensive warranty, and 30 days or 2,500 kilometers for the exchange privilege. Extra, read all about it. We've got a diesel Colorado. Up front, great looking headlights, fog lights down below, and then as part of that midnight package, you get the blacked out Chevy bow tie and the Z71 logo. And there's also recovery tow hooks on the bottom. So if you want to be a good Samaritan, help people out, you can do that and pull them out of the ditch. Now, let's go take a look on the inside. So popping open the door, I've got that driver's seat all the way back just to show you there's still good amount of room in here, even if you had a driver who was like 6'3", 6'4". Cool looking interior. We've got this kind of gray blue with the dark charcoal and then the cloth inserts. It's really nice. We've got a sliding rear window, big center armrest that folds down as well. And then we have 2 USB ports in the back so you don't have to share your charging cords. And the all-weather liners from the previous owner as well. I love seeing that. Just means that they wanted to take care of their truck. Now up front, same nice seats. These are heated seats up front. And then we have a partial power seat. All right. Now with the purchase of this Colorado, you're going to get 4 free oil changes from us here at Ontario Motor Sales. So definitely take advantage of that. That's a nice little gift that we give you. Here is the interior. Again, you can see some of that cool blue on the dash. Upgraded infotainment system. All right, so we've got some good safety features on this. We've got the forward collision warning. We've got rear cross traffic alert, automatic headlights, a great rear view camera system, plus more. When you call, we can review that, or you can check out the vehicle file, which I'll show you in just a moment. Heated leather wrap steering wheel up front, and then check out the odometer, 104,089 kilometers. Now, as part of that Z71 package as well, we get a 2-speed transfer case for the 4-wheel drive system. You can see that there. And then just above that is the integrated trailer brake controller. So again, this is absolutely ready to tow when you pick it up. Now, this infotainment system, this is kind of our home screen here. You can see we have XM satellite radio. We've got the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have Wi-Fi hotspot via OnStar, so that's really cool. If your kids are constantly borrowing your phone to connect and hotspot your phone, you can just hotspot with the car now when you subscribe to that through OnStar, which is great. There's also different apps that you can download, Spotify, Amazon, all sorts of cool stuff here. And then we have our rear view camera, and that's the traditional view, and then here's your trailer view, so that way you can line up and hook up really nice and easy. Down from that, we have climate control. We've got some of our safety systems and our lighting and all that, and then our heated seats are right below that there. You can see those. And then we've got some more USB ports because we need more and more USB because everything charges through USB now. Our center console, and check this out, we even have a wireless charging pad. So even with all those USB ports, they're like, still charge your phone wirelessly. And then a nice big bucket here. Now, here is our vehicle file. You can see that there, OMS Original. This is the build sheet, so you can check this out. This will go through and give you all of the options on this and review that, and that's really great info. There's our oil change card, so your 4 free oil changes. And then here is our Carfax here. So you can see 1 owner vehicle. There's 18 service records all here at Ontario Motor Sales. I mean, tons and tons and tons of service on this, which is fantastic. Now, there was a collision in January 2023. It was a minor damage. Vehicle involved in rear end damage to the front. It says $11,700. Now, keep in mind, $11,700 also includes HST, parts and labor. It could also include things like if there was a rental vehicle, if there was property damage, and all the rest of it. But either way, who cares? This has been priced accordingly, and it's a diesel Colorado. You can't get these. These are a 1 in a million. So come here to Ontario Motor Sales. You're going to experience an absolutely fantastic truck. And I mean, it doesn't get much better than the Z71 off-road. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We can't wait to see who gets behind the wheel of this fantastic pre-owned Chevy Colorado right here at Ontario Motor Sales.